Hello everyone! Chapter 8, Video 2, Simplifying Radicals with Complex Numbers. This is Miss Osier.
And Miss LaHart.
And here we go. So, just saying, pretty much everything we do until we hit probability and statistics is off of math you already know.
Yep.
I just want to throw that out there real quick.
Yep.
Okay.
This piece, you are introduced to an imaginary number.
Oh.
Okay? So the square root of -1. Normally, it doesn't exist. Right.
Exactly.
There's no number when multiplied by itself gives you a negative number. But in the video we watched, beautifully, we had to find another dimension of numbers in order to satisfy this situation.
And that dimension are imaginary numbers.
Yes. Horrible name, but it happened. So whenever you have a square root of -1, that's equivalent to I.
Yep. So everything else goes as planned. So 25 times 6, the 5 comes out, but that -1 comes out as an I.
Right. So really, it's
Boom.
nothing you haven't done before. You've simplified radicals. Now we're just putting in the negative underneath.
Just this letter. That's all that's coming out.
Yep.
It's not a variable. It's an I.
Yep. So square root of -1 is the I, and then boom, there you go.
Boom. So like this, well, I know what the square root of 64 is. It's 8. But that negative, well, that's I, don't forget.
Okay. 8 times 3, 24i. Some of you get scared when you have a perfect square underneath your radical.
Ah.
I saw that on your test.
Oh,
like you would
goodness.
take the square root of 64 and had it 8 and then put a square root back on it. Did
Just
you
for
have
fun.
that? I don't
Yes.
know. But anyway, if it's a perfect square, you get rid of it.
Exactly. All right, now be careful. This does not have a negative underneath. So this would just
no.
be,
It should.
it should have a negative underneath.
It
Just
does on
kidding.
your worksheet. I forgot
does
to
on
fix
your
it.
worksheet. So we're going to break this 54 to the -1, 9 times 6 as usual, and then don't forget your variables. A squared, remember, exponent divided by the index. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 1. 3 divided by 2 doesn't work, so I split it into 2 and 1. Boom. I just hit a button.
Other stuff will pop out, I think. My animations are wrong.
bum.
I thought I had everything correct.
Bum.
All that goes out front.
The only thing that is different is this. Everything else was just like chapter 6, which we know some of you need to work on that, so here's your chance for redemption.
Yep.
Have a great day.